Go ahead.
We were at 3114 Murdoch Avenue doing a repairability test for Annie Gordon. We are going to start by lifting the shingle 90 degrees perpendicular to the roof to get a flat nailing surface. We're going to do that 3 times to simulate the repair. We're going to start by unsealing it. And we're gonna lift this up 3 times.
I already heard it crease.
Oh yeah, that end is completely tore. But yeah, as you can see it, that end is completely tore across there. Then I think there might be some, yeah, there's some mat transfer here. So this is a failed repairability test. The shingle is non-repairable.